Hey there! Do you love adventures? I mean the kind where you explore hidden worlds, solve crazy mysteries, and maybe, just maybe, find magic that changes everything? Well, that's exactly what I do. My name's Bodhi, and I'm on the greatest adventure ever! I'm on a quest to find the most powerful treasure in the universe: wisdom. But here's the twist. This isn't just any treasure. It's magic that helps you make the best choices, discover who you really are, and even unlock superpowers inside you. Yep, wisdom is the ultimate superpower. Want to join my adventure? It's going to be epic. Ever look up at the stars and wonder, who am I? Or what's this journey of life all about? I do. All the time. I want to know who I really am and why I'm here. I figure if I can find the answers, I'll unlock the greatest wisdom of all. That's why my adventure is just getting started. And trust me, it's going to be epic. But wait, what is wisdom anyway? Is it being super smart? Is it knowing all the answers? Is it hidden in books guarded by dragons? Okay, maybe not dragons. But I used to think it was about knowing a lot of stuff. Then I learned something amazing. Wisdom isn't just about knowing things. It's about understanding life, learning from adventures, and seeing things in a magical way, even when things get tough. It's like having supervision for life. It helps you see the good in everything, even in challenges. True wisdom lives in your I am presence. It's your own inner magic, a special spark that makes you, you. It's your spirit, your inner light. It's like having a genie in a bottle inside you that grants you the wisdom to be the best version of yourself. It guides you, protects you, and helps you unfold your divine blueprint, the amazing story of who you're meant to be. It's like having a magic North Star inside you, showing you the way, even when the path is dark or tricky. And the best part, when you connect to your I am presence, you remember who you really are. It's like waking up to your superpowers. It helps you live your best story, the one you were born to live. My adventure takes me to faraway lands, secret worlds, and even through time. I search for people who are just like me, seekers of wisdom who unlock their inner magic. They connect to their I am presence and become legends. These people lead by example. They're like the superheroes of wisdom who discover the secrets of life. They figure out how to be strong, wise, and kind. They use their I am presence to change the world. One day, I find myself in a magical garden where I meet Buddha, a wise teacher who discovers the secret to peace and happiness. They say he can find calmness, even when the world is noisy. Buddha once said, "True wisdom comes from within. Just like the lotus that blooms from the mud, your greatest strength grows from life's challenges. Be still, be present, and your answers will appear." Wow! Finding peace within, no matter what happens outside. That's a wisdom key. Oh, and here's the coolest thing about wisdom. When you gain it, you give it away. And that's the secret of the universe. When you give, you receive even more. How cool is that? And along the way, I will introduce you to the Wonder Tree, and you'll see it a lot. It's my special tool that helps me connect to my wonder and my I am presence in real life. It reminds me of who I am and guides me on my adventures. There are more wisdom keys to find, more sages to meet, and more magic to discover. Who knows? Maybe you'll find the greatest wisdom of all, the magic inside you. Are you ready to be the hero of your own life adventure? Let's go.